previously recorded. Alright, so this is what the hallway looked like before you actually finish painting it. I mean, he'll put the trim to it and everything, making it look, you know, easier for them to start running. But come on back this way. And this is what the wall naturally look like before we actually start rolling it. There you go.
No, what? Oh.
The bathroom, and it's not done, but this is the grade for the bathroom. Right here. And we got a plan for this wall here.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
Hey, Boss Up Cleaning Crew. Today is a new day. And today what we're going to be doing in here is trimming and putting second coats on everything that got black. So I just got here. I got to start taping off these baseboards and windows and all that good stuff, and it don't look like I'm gonna get it all done by myself because I had some things I needed to do before I actually got over here, but it'll get done. We'll probably, hopefully we get done with everything today, but I'm just gonna show y'all so far the process of what all we got did and what everything is looking like so far and all that good stuff. Let me get some lights turned on in here. Grandma, you gonna tell them hey? Hey there. So Grandma's sitting here looking gorgeous. I'm gonna go get you that chair out the what's the name in a minute. So y'all pretty much seen the kitchen. Pretty much seen the kitchen and everything. So I'm just gonna show y'all what this wall is looking like in here so far. So we're doing the accent wall, and the accent wall is gonna be the accent wall is going to be black. It's going to be black, but it's not done just yet. So you're going to see what all we're going to do with the accent wall. But this is what it's looking like in here. It ain't really a whole lot of light in here, but I did those windows. I already taped those off. We got the ceiling painted, and it's looking good. Better than it did, like way better than it did. I can say that. It looks way better. So, I mean, it's not perfect. It look like it might can use another coat if you ask me. But, I mean, I can work with it. This right here didn't come as white. I don't know if he's gonna want to roll it again or what, but that right there is looking way better up there. It's actually showing up better with the lights off. So yeah, that right there is looking better up there than what it did. I mean, it's looking way better. I'm gonna let him, probably, I think I might will want a second coat on there. Maybe after everything is go through and just roll a second coat on top of it, because some stuff is showing through, you know, like it was like dingy. It was dingy, y'all. So it's better than what it was, but this the hallway. Yeah, we can pretty much go over that right there as well. The ceiling in here, he painted it. So I think it could use a second coat. This is my husband's room, his game room, and this room is gonna be black on black. Everything gonna be black in here. So this is his room so far. We gotta come in here and put a second coat of black in here, but ceiling gonna be black, baseboards black, everything just black, door black, everything gonna be blacked out in here. So that's gonna look good. It's looking good so far already. And if y'all wondering what kind of black this is limousine leather by Bayer. This is a nice black. It's like the blackest black you can get, and I love it. So I got that. Then here's grandma's bathroom, and so we're gonna be doing something in here. We're not actually done, but the walls is gray, and then we're doing a black accent wall in here as well, due to the fact that I want this mirror to stand out. So it's small in here, y'all. Trying to get the angles. We gotta go around and cut and all that stuff like that, get it better. But yeah, so that's what we got going on so far, y'all. So this is that, and the other bathroom. So this is the room, my room, and this is the walls and what it's looking like. Nice gray color. Like I told y'all, this color is Bayer, what is it? Bayer Dynasty Shark Fin Gray is the color. So, we got the eggshell. So, this is the bathroom right here. And we gotta get the ceiling painted. On this one, we're gonna paint the ceiling in here white. So we're gonna paint the ceiling in here. And that's gonna just make that gray and this stone just pop when everything gets through. So yeah, I can't wait for that to get done. That's supposed to get done today. So far that's the process that we have got done in the house. I gotta get going, get started on taping off these windows and stuff. And I know that y'all don't wanna see no taping. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna wait until they get here and y'all can start seeing some painting. I ain't even gonna bore y'all with the taping. All right, so I will see y'all in a few. I forgot to show y'all something. So right here is where we had to fix that popcorn, what was missing. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it looked better than what it did, so I'm okay with that. And then he fixed it right along there. I don't know if it's still wet, dry, whatever it is, but yeah, so he fixed it up in there as well. So now he got to paint this side. He didn't paint this side yesterday because, you know, he had to fix the popcorn along there or whatever. So yeah, that's what I had to come back and show y'all.